Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this custom figurine statue jar. You will need a jar with a lid, a figurine of your choice, a hot glue gun, and spray paint. First, remove the lid from your jar and set the jar aside. Next, take your figurine and using hot glue, attach it to the lid. Be careful when using the hot glue and make sure you have an adult helping you. Once the glue has dried, take the lid outside and spray paint it in the color of your choice. Wait for the lid to dry, and just like that, you're done. Well done on making your own custom figurine statue jar. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.